Okay.
This is actually a piece that's wooden, and when you come close to it, it starts lighting up. It works with the inert gas reacting to the energy field that's around it. You could just place it over 3 light bulbs and have it in different locations. You could remove it and play around and even dim it from the back of it.
So you can choose your color, you can play around.
Okay.
Trying to see this.